Hey everybody, I hope you're all having a great day. I am here to do my December Young Living Essential Oils unboxing, but let's get to the moment. So I am excited. I'm excited about this unboxing because you see by the size, there is something in here that we have ran out of. So I'm really excited to get this open and get this in the fridge. Okay, so let's do this. Oh wow. Ooh. What did I order? I don't think I know what I ordered. Let's look at the packaging. Okay. As always, ooh, our lovely magazine. Our December magazine. I love these. These are cute. They always have a recipe. Let's see what December's recipe is. Chewy molasses spice cookies. That looks delish. So, one thing I love about Young Living. Okay. So here are the deeds. So I spent $481 on this month's order total. Promotional items for the month of December was lemon, 15 mLs, Northern Lights Black Spruce, Nutmeg, Life 9, 2018 calendar. It's cute. And it also says something about sacred frankincense oil. Not that this isn't totally readable, it's just, I don't know, it can be kind of confusing. So let's just jump into it. Okay, so whoa, I did not know I got this, you guys. So this is kind of a shock. I got the Ningxia Red combo packet. I've never done that. I was kind of wondering what was going on here. Okay, so I got the Ningxia Red combo packet, which is 2 bottles of Ningxia Red, and I believe they're 750 mLs, and a 2-ounce single packets. It doesn't say, but I believe there are 30 in here. So if you are thinking about signing up for Young Living, you're gonna get 2 free Ningxia Red to go samples in your premium starter kit. And we are hooked on this. My dad does a smoothie every day and he puts Ningxia Red in it. Yes, I think these to-goes might be for me. Sweet bonus. This is why I love this time of the year. Okay, let me get this out of the way. What is this? You guys, I don't know what I got. I am terrible at remembering what I got. Okay, so since we already talked about it, I'm gonna go ahead and put this aside. Okay, what else do we got in here? So we have, automatic dishwasher powder. So this is the Thieves automatic dishwashing powder. Now you can go ahead and use it straight up as powder, but I actually did a little Facebook Live with my nieces and we made those little dishwasher pots. I can't even, it's the smell of evergreen in this house has gone to my head. So I'm really excited because I'm gonna be able to make my own little dishwasher pot. So this is black spruce oil. Northern Lights Black Spruce. I'm gonna have to come to you guys today. So let's see if we can do this. Oh, there we go. Maybe we can. I feel terrible. I feel like I don't do enough research before I do these videos because I'm just like, I don't know what this is and what I'm going to use for it, but I know it's going to be fantastic. I don't know what to say for myself. Nutmeg Vitality. I love these things. So I'm excited about this. I know this is another thing that people actually drop into certain drinks more for health reasons than flavor. So, but I love that I could do it for either. Sacred frankincense. Okay, so again, I know I didn't order this. I don't know what to say. I don't know what kind of greatness this is, but I'm glad to get it, and I'm glad to like figure out. I can't wait to figure out the difference between frankincense and sacred frankincense. More of a maroon purpley. But here we go, boom. And if you guys have these products and you use them, you'll have to let me know what you love putting them in. I do this every week. I do this in every video and it never breaks. Okay, so what's this? Okay, this is, I'm gonna cry. This is Jasmine. So I am so freaking excited to get this Jasmine. Let me show you. And it's in a cute little bottle. So freaking cute, you guys. So I'm excited to have this because I want to make perfumes, not just for myself, but definitely for myself. And there are kind of 3 very distinct layers to making a perfume, and you can mix and match. Sorry, you're gonna hear my dogs in the background. But I love Jasmine. If you love Dior perfumes, like Miss Dior, they use Jasmine as their base note. And so, I don't know, I love Jasmine. Oh my God. I wish I could get you to smell this, but I love it. Okay, this one is, oh wow, I forgot I got this. Okay, this is called Fulfill Your Destiny. And I got this one. I'm gonna have to look it up for y'all. But oh, can you see it? Oh, I'm losing the box. So this is brand new to Young Living. It came out in November, I believe. And it is supposed to be sweet and spicy. It's supposed to help with focus and realization. So, fulfill your destiny. Bam! All right. Ooh, here's the calendar. Young Living calendar for 2018. Oh, wow. And the cover is, it says 30,000 members light the tree at convention. 2017. I don't know if you can see that. I'm so far away today. Feels weird. Ah, I love it. We gotta see June. Oh my. Okay. This is the month of June picture. Oh my Lord. Okay. It's all good. Okay, calendar check. All right. So what is in here? Oh, this must be the supplement I got for free. This free promo. Oh, whoa. Oh my God. I'm in shock because I didn't know I got this roll-on, and I am super excited. First of all, I love these bottles. Some people say it helps them sleep. Look at this beautiful gold foil. It's just gorgeous. So this is a tranquil roll-on. I just feel like I don't want to damage it. But this is the roll-on. Ah, these roll-ons are so gorgeous. Oh, is that upside down? Nope, I just can't see. Oh, wow. So I gotta pop this. Wait, it smells like, so lavender and cedarwood. I pleasantly surprised about this because it should help with kind of like peace and calming, you know? And I love this seal. Love it. Okay. And then the very last is Life 9, a probiotic supplement. 17 billion active cultures. I guess that's good. So this is 30 capsules. You take 1 capsule once a day. Wow. And this is a free promotional item. Oh snap. Wow. Okay. I'm excited about getting Ningxia Red back in our life. I'm excited about doing the Thieves dishwasher pods. I am so excited about Jasmine. I'm going to do a perfume video. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. I am excited about getting the free promotional products, some great, I think, staple oils. This Tranquil, I am going to rub this all over myself tonight. And the probiotic, I think that's so cool. And again, I think I've mentioned it in the last video that what I love about getting this supplement for free is that I probably wouldn't have bought it for myself, but now I get it. I get to experience it, the greatness. Some of the other vitamins I have been using, the Super C chewable vitamin. I haven't been sick this year. I don't have the flu, so I don't know, you guys. So I really love getting the promotional products and really finding stuff that I love, things that I need that I didn't know I needed. So I'm super excited about today's hoard haul unboxing, what I'm going to talk about. If you have any questions or if you want to know more about these products, I'm also going to post below the link to my Young Living website. No obligation when you click on there. You can just browse and look at products and stuff like that. So I am going to stop rambling, cut this short. I love you guys. I hope you're having a great holiday season and a happy new year. Bye. No barking. This is a no barking zone.